Hi, great to see you on my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best reverse seared filet mignons. It only takes 4 easy steps. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. This video will be showcasing how to make the best reverse seared filet mignons cooked with a southern flair. 4 easy steps is all it takes. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. This will allow you to follow my site and get notifications to any new post, all for free. Okay, so step 1, we got to season our steaks. I'm going to take our steaks and I'm going to put them on this tray so I don't make a big mess and get this stuff everywhere. Alright, so what I'm going to use, any kind of salt, kosher salt. I like to use sea salt. It just gives it a real good flavor. And you want to make sure you actually get some on there. Don't be afraid. The big thing you don't want to do is you don't want to salt your meat too far in advance. I'm going to be putting these right onto the grill or the smoker here in just a moment, so it's good timing. Now I'm using coarse ground pepper, putting some of this on, and that's going to be the only 2 things I'm going to use. Kind of mashing it in. Now I'm going to turn them over. And do this side too. Now, some people also like to put garlic salt or just plain garlic powder. Any of that is fine. Normally I would use some Tony Chachere's, but on my steaks I don't like that. I just like salt and pepper. So now we're going to put them on the grill, the smoker. We're going to do it at 225 degrees, and we're going to put our meat probes in, and I want to get an internal temperature of somewhere between 110 and 120. So we're cooking it real slow to start with. Okay, as I'm about ready to put these steaks on, remember I got the smoker at 225. One of the things you may be interested in is I have a video showing how to smoke fall off the bone baby back ribs. You might want to catch that. But anyway, we are going to just take the steaks and we're going to put them on. And I like to put them on my middle rack. I don't have my top rack in here. But I'm just going to place them. Okay, I have my steaks placed on the grill now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my meat probes and I'm going to put my meat probes in 2 of the steaks. I'm going to put it in right in the middle, and I'm going to put it in the largest, one of the largest ones and one of the smallest ones. And I'm just going to close the smoker. Now the main reason we want to do this is, again, we want to cook by temperature. We don't want to cook by time. Hey guys, back here at the grill smoker, and I am at 110 degrees on one of my steaks and 115 on the other. So I'm going to take them out. What I'm going to do is, hey guys, back here out at the smoker, I'm at 110 degrees on one of the temperatures and 116 on the other, so it's time to pull them off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them in this butcher paper, keep the moisture in, and I'm going to turn the grill up to 450. That way we can put it back on and sear them. So let's get these off the smoker. Now I'm gonna wrap them up. Put my thermometer right on top of it to hold it in, and I'm turning my temperature up. Now on these pellet grills, pellet smokers, it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to get up to a 450. Then I'll come back out, put my steaks back on the grill. This time I'm going to put it on a lower level and put my probes back in. Alright y'all, we're up to temperature, so now I'm going to take and put the steaks back on. I'm going to put them on the bottom shelf this time, and I want to do about 2 minutes and rotate, and then another 2 minutes and turn them over and do the same thing. So let's put them back on. Unwrap them here. I can actually hear the searing. Now put my probes in. And close her up. Okay, our internal temperatures of our steaks are about right. My wife likes hers medium well, so I'm cooking hers to 155, 158. I like mine medium, so mine's around 145. So I'm going to pull them out off the grill and wrap them back up. Now we want to let our steaks rest for about 5 minutes before we serve them. So I'm going to take them inside. Alright y'all, got the steaks in. Unwrap them here a little bit. Put one out on my plate. Gonna cut into it so you can see exactly how well it is. For a medium steak, that's just about perfect. This is an easy way to cook steaks. Again, we want to cook by temperature, not by time. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. When you subscribe, ring that bell. That way it'll give you notifications about any time I have a new video coming out.